Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will continue lessons on M1 A-Level Mathematics. This is lesson 2.3, and in this video, we will solve this past paper question. So far in the previous videos, we have covered the following concepts. And just a reminder that this is the series on the complete explanation of M1. So we have covered all these concepts. You can find the link in the description below. So mostly in M1 the concepts are mixed up. So this question is based on constant acceleration concepts, right? A particle P moves in a straight line ABCD. So just to visualize it, let me draw a straight line here. And particle is moving along a straight line, and at different points the velocity is given to you. So at point A the velocity is 20 meters per second. At B the velocity is 12 meters per second. How far it is, it's not given here, so we are just writing randomly, right? 6 meters per second. You have to find the ratio of the distance AB is to BC. So we have to find out the distance AB and distance BC, and we will get the ratio. Now the question is, the only information given here is what? The speed at different points ABC. So how will you find the ratio? What comes in your mind? So you have to focus on these SWOT equations we have done before. One of the equation will help you. Which one is that? And very important thing is, it is given to you throughout the movement from A, B, C, D. The constant deceleration is here. It means the speed is slowing down. And we can see that from here also. It is 20, 12 and 6. Okay, so let's see, we can use this one, v square equals to u square plus 2as, right? S is the distance. So let's use it for, let me change the color, for AB first of all, right? So for AB, if I'm using it, v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So for AB, this will be U and this will be V. But when we will talk about BC, then this will become U and this will become V. Okay, so right now I'm talking about AB. So V is 12, U is initial velocity is 20 square. Now because it is saying constant deceleration, so whatever the value of A is, it will be negative then. Okay, and my distance here is what? AB. So now it will be 20 square is 400, 12 square is 144. So AB will be equals to 400 minus 144 is, use the calculator please with me, 256 over 2A. So 256 divided by 2 will be, yes, you're right, 128 over A. So I got AB. Now I will apply the same formula for BC. Now for BC, again I will use the same formula. In this case, V is 6 square and U is 12, right? So now this will be my U and this will be my V, final velocity. Again I'm using minus because A will be negative as the speed is slowing down. 12 square is 144, 6 square is 36, and in place of AS, let me write here, what will I write? BC, absolutely right. So let me write here BC. So now if I make BC a subject, 144 minus 36 is, you have to check with me, divide by 2, it will be 54. 54 over A. I have just directly 144 minus 36 divided by 2. So now I have to find out the ratio of AB is to BC. So AB is to BC can be written as AB over BC. So AB is 128 over A divided by 54 over A, right? So then it will become 128 over A into A over 54. So what did you get? 120 divided by 54 is, use the calculator, correct, 64 over 27. So it can be written, because question is saying AB is to BC, so please write in the same language. 64 is to 27 is AB is to BC. Okay, now the next part of the question is the particle comes to rest at D. Okay, so it means in the same straight line at point D the speed is 0 meter per second and the distance AD is 80. So it means from here till here the distance is what? 80 meter. Okay, and we have to find out the distance BC. So now what comes in your mind? Absolutely, I will use the same formula for AD. So if I use it for AD, V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Final velocity is 0 at D. Initial velocity is at A, which is 20 square. And total distance we know is 80 given to us. So we can calculate the acceleration from here, right? So just pick up the calculator very quickly. Sorry, not 144, rather 400. 20 square is 400. My mistake. So so it is 400 divided by 2 divided by 80. So what is your answer coming? I am getting 20 over 80. Are you getting the same? Meter per second square. Okay, but we have to find the distance BC. So what should I do? So if I see here, the ratio we have found here is this. From here I'm talking about. So if I say from part 1, tick, okay, here. If I use this part, AB is equals to 128 over A. You know why? If you see here, AB over BC is equals to 64 over 27, right? And from here, AB is equals to 64 over 27 BC, correct? Now if I use this part of the equation, let me change the color. So it is AB is equals to 128 over A. So in place of AB, I can write down 64 over 27 BC, right? Finally, we have to find BC now. That's why I'm using this. 128, and I can substitute the value of A, which is 20 divided by 8. So now you can use calculator. 128 into 8 over 20 into 27 over 64. Now you need to pick up calculator quickly. I'm also picking it up. So now it is 21.6 meter. So this is how you will solve it. I hope you understood it. So in the next video, now we will move on to free fall. And there I will solve at least 3 to 4 past paper questions also. Because now we will be able to handle past paper questions. Because now we have done concept which will keep coming in this. Keep mixing it up. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with